Hello everyone. To connect your Fyers broker account with Tradetron, kindly follow the steps. Step number 1, log into your Tradetron account. For that, open your browser, type www.tradetron.tech, click on sign in. Once you sign in, click on profile name, click on broker and exchange, then click on add broker, scroll down, click on select broker, type Fyers, write your Fyers client ID, keep token box blank. Now for Fire, there is a auto login feature which is which you can activate. For that, write your Fire's client ID again. In PIN section, write your 4-digit MPIN. Now, second step is you have to enable TOTP in your Fire's account. For that, open a new tab, type myaccount.fyers.in. Click on this profile name and click on manage account. Now click on this enable feature, external 2FA TOTP. Now download Google Authenticator app in your mobile and click on scan QR code. So you can scan this QR code and you can see a 6-digit code, which is valid for 30 seconds. You can see a watch symbol beside that code. That is a time limit for that particular code and which changes in every 30 seconds. Now copy this QR code. So click here. So you can see a copy TOTP key to clipboard. Now paste it here and click on save. Once you save this, come to this Fyers account again. Write a 6-digit TOTP which you have received in your authenticator and write your 4-digit MPIN and click on enable. So once you enable it, come to this part again. Now click on this link. Now you can see a success message, which means your Fyers broker integration done successfully. Now for Fyers, as I mentioned, there is an auto login feature. You don't need to generate a token on an everyday basis because we have enabled that auto login feature. But still, if you want to generate on a daily basis, do before 9 a.m. For that, simply you have to come to this Tradetron account, click on this profile name, click on broker and exchange, then click on this link. Now you can see the Fyers login link. So you can type your Fyers client ID and you can get that TOTP and the MPIN. And then you will get a success message, which means the token generated successfully. Thank you for watching.